If you have a Sibley Ultimate Pro or Pro Tech, you can detach the canvas canopy from the tent floor. I prefer to do that when cleaning because I think that it's easier to handle the floor first and then set the tent up so you have a clean surface to work on. To get started, you'll need a mop, a broom, and some organic, easy on the environment, regular soap. Once you have your tent floor clean, re-pitch the tent. It doesn't have to be a perfect pitch since we're just doing this for cleaning, but you want everything set up so then you can get at the inside of the tent and then finish the outside. Once your tent is clean and completely dry, re-waterproof it by applying a waterproofing solution. We like Dry Guy. This is a concentrate, so follow the instructions on the back of the bottle and then apply liberally with a spray bottle or one of those pump sprayers that you can get at any home and garden store. The better you take care of your canvas tent, the longer it's going to last. So keep it clean, re-waterproof it once in a while, and remember to never, ever, ever pack it while wet.